Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying to do a little day in my life video. Right now it is about 9:30 in the morning. My mom is about to take me to work. I work at a sewing boutique. I'll show you guys when I get there. But I'm just on my way to work right now. Later on today I'm supposed to be hanging out with some friends. Hopefully that is still happening. I don't really know, but otherwise I'll just take you guys with me today. So first thing on the list today is work. Let's go. Got my little toaster strudel, okay.
Six and a half hours later.
Hey everybody, we're gonna fast forward like a bunch of hours from the last time that I showed you guys a clip. I'm now at home and I'm ready. A bunch of stuff happened in between. I'll explain it on the way. But I'm waiting for Deshaun to come get me. We're going to go hang out with some friends at this super bougie like plaza type thing, and so we're about to head there right now. My hair is in this wash and go from I think 2 days ago, and then I just have on this tube top, these right ripped shorts, carrying mini backpack, and then I have on my K-Swiss, and yeah, I'm about to go get ready to leave.
We do this.
Okay, that's enough. Too much. Too much. No, it's not. We chilling. We hanging out. Can everybody stop walking around? Sophia. Hi guys. Lex. Hi Lex.
All right.
Who did not look at her?
Boom. Today, talk about the trip.
Okay.
We got the LA fitted. You know, with some oversized vintage frames, right? Spencer Hodges, my brother's brand. Go crazy. Some jeans I made, thrifted.
Cute.
You already know. We had this stuff out today with the off-white ones.
Cute.
Euro. Exclusive. Details.
Well, you ain't got nothing on.
That's the point.
Okay.
I know Keith's not, cause
Hi Michael. I still don't understand how you meant to never be in any of my vlogs ever. You're never there ever.
I'm always there, but I'm never there.
That's what I'm saying.
You on fire, bro. So what are you talking about?
I've been vlogging all day. So, but I was like, oh, I actually have somewhere to go. I'm gonna vlog later.
Your hair looks really good.
Thank
I'm
you.
jealous.
It looks better yesterday, but then I danced.
How does it get like that?
You look so good to me.
Michaela's ready, guys.
It's okay. Where are we going? Where are we going?
That was going to Urban.
Oh yeah, I'll go to Urban.
You're hurt, yeah, because they might be white.
Keys.
you want to say something to the vlog?
Sure.
Drip check.
Hurry up.
We got a ski mask, but people don't know that. They do that because I made the hat. We got some black rings going on here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's cute.
We got some wrist accessory. We got man purse. We got little vintage Grateful Dead going on here. Then we got some throwback Fresh Prince vibes.
There's people behind you.
Van socks.
Cute.
And turbo green Jordan ones.
Cute, cute.
Hey, sexy lady.
Walk away. Move.
More girls.
Alright, so it is now 9:23 and we're about to go to Lex Rod's house. I got some Shake Shack a little while ago because I was starving to death. So we're about to go to Lex Rod's house and chill around for a little while, and then we're gonna go home. So
I get so
y'all are tripping in here.
It's a Gucci belt. You gonna get in or what?
Zooming. Whoa.
These trolleys, man.
Oh, that was cute. Absolutely not.
These are so good.
I don't like them. They are night swimming. They're in the pool. I'm not in the pool because my hair's gonna get messed up and I don't have clothes for the pool either. But everybody else is in the pool except for me and Ari. Ari! Say hi. We're not in the pool. We're staying out of it. So that is the end of this vlog, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Today was actually really fun. It was one of my first times actually going out since the whole quarantine-ness. I'm still trying to keep it like safe and not be just out everywhere, but yeah. I was having actually a kind of a rough day when I left work, so it was nice to go hang out with my friends and everything. A lot of them you guys have seen before on stuff, so make sure that you give this video your thumbs and that you subscribe down below if you have not already. All of my social media will be in the description box, in the end screen, and in the beginning of this video. So if you're not already following me, I don't really know why. So make sure that you follow me on all of my social media and turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I got a new camera. Finally got the Canon G7X Mark II, so love it. It looks really good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.